He's happy now. That's some bitch rolled for him.
Yeah.
It's damn near everything brand new in it. Come on, Dad. He's scared of it.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Those headers sound good.
Carburetor ain't right out.
But I think he's got it in too high of a gear and it's loading up. That low RPM.
There's grasses that gear. Said he wasn't going to touch the throttle. Yeah, we knew that was a lie, didn't we?
He's got to let it breathe.
Like a 16-year-old with his first truck.
How come everybody got to get on the pavement before they want to gas or something?
There's no grip in it. Can't go nowhere in the grass. There's no grip.
Yeah. You want to feel the hook.
Yeah,
Still no grip on the asphalt even.
grip on that asphalt. It's tearing something up.
Yeah. As long as you're rolling, it'll be okay. But that's almost impossible to do.
Did he shift into high gear?
I think so.
I don't think he did.
Yeah, I think he did. He might have just tried that.
But I mean, you don't have to hit it.
Uh-oh.